Guys, I am so embarrassed to be on here right now. The reason being is because I haven't been faithful or loyal to you guys. I haven't been on here, I think it's been about over a month and a half or 2 months. This saying that I always say, please subscribe, because I have new videos every single weekend. It's totally blown away. Like, I totally am not being faithful to you guys. So guess what? I just chopped up an onion, getting ready for dinner, and I thought for some reason it'd be a great idea to get on camera when my eyes are all bloodshot and watery from cutting the onion. But I need to get on here more often. I need to get on here, I need to film something. Don't know what I'm gonna film today, but I just thought I'd turn on the camera, and good to know that it's almost dead too, so let's see how far this gets us. So today, I just got home from work. Exactly like how I mentioned, I am cooking dinner and getting ready almost for bed. It is, well actually, I shouldn't tell you guys what time my bedtime is at, because that's embarrassing too. But I thought I would film since I already have my makeup on. The only thing that I have on is my mascara and a little bit of eyeliner. So I thought what I would film, so this is like my day look, going to work, whatever, I don't care. But what I thought I would do is show you a little bit of a transition of from day office work wear, whatnot, and then going into night, because typically this is what I do quite often, like on a Friday or whatnot. Right when you come home, you want to go for a drink or go to the bar or whatever, and then you always want to touch up your makeup. So this tutorial here, it's not really a tutorial, it's kind of like get ready with me. I'm not really going anywhere, just to bed, but I told you I gotta film something, so this is what I'm coming up with right now. So if you want to keep watching, wait, hold on. Oh my god, I haven't been on here so long, I forget what to say now. So if you want to see how to not get this look, just keep watching. Okay everybody, first step is to pin back this mane. And another thing is, I haven't gotten a haircut. Oh, that's a good angle. I haven't gotten a haircut in so long. So Nagar, if you're watching this, I'm coming soon. I promise. Okay, so to start off, I'm actually going to use my go-to palette, which is the Tartlet Palette right here. It honestly has everything in here. You can have anything from light to dark. They're all matte shades, which is really nice. As you can tell, I use this quite a lot. It's honestly like brand new, but I swear I use this whenever I want to go day to night. So let's start off with taking up Free Spirit. Taking up. Okay, let's go. Let's roll with it. Yep. We're gonna use Free Spirit. We're just gonna put that all over the lid. Just to kind of act like a base. I have nothing on right now. Like I said, just mascara and a little bit of eyeliner. So let's do our eyes first, and then we'll move to our face. So now I'm going to use the exact same brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of Force of Nature, which is this top one right here. And then I'm just going to go right into the crease, just to add a little bit of definition and some color. So maybe I'll do a little bit of a get ready with me and kind of chit chat with you guys. I've been extremely busy, but there's no excuses as to why I haven't been on here. It is the summertime. I like to be out doing stuff. So maybe, you know what I might do is I might take you guys with me. Let me know in the comments down below if you think it'd be a great idea to see a vlog of a week in my life type of video. I see those quite a bit on YouTube, and I love watching them personally. Does that sound creepy that I love watching what people do in their life? Hey, whatever. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you guys think would be cool, if you guys are just as creepy as I am and want to see what I do in my everyday life. I swear it's really interesting. So if that gets you excited, I don't know what will. So I'm still working on this. Yeah, good. You guys honestly must think I'm crazy. That's a good thing, I guess. Being crazy is not too bad. Now I'm just talking to myself. Okay, I'm just gonna probably speed this up while you don't sit there and watch me blend for 3 hours. Okay, so that adds a little bit of definition, but what I want to do is make it a little bit darker, a little bit smokier. So I think I'm going to go in. Let's start off with Dreamer, this brown shade right there, and let's add this on the outer. And work your way up to the crease. And what I like to do, I always say this in all my videos, but you know where your bone is, like right here, I always like to bring the color just slightly above the bone, just so it adds a little bit of an illusion of a bigger eye. Because sometimes I feel like I have small eyes, small squinty eyes. But that's a little bit of a tip and a trick. So that's that. If I'm looking around here, I'm just looking at my big mirror to make sure I'm on track. Let's go ahead to the other side. I really need to get my brows done. If you guys are in the KW area, if you don't know where that is, you probably don't know where I live, which is probably a good thing. But if you guys are from the KW area and you know someone who's good with microblading or anything like that, I certainly want to try it, but I'm kind of hesitant and I'm scared to, because I hear that once you get microblading done, after a year or so, the color obviously starts to fade. And when the color starts to fade, it starts to look a little bit like orangey, bronzy, not so true to color anymore. And then you got to keep going back and getting them done. If that's the case, let me know. If that's not the case, also let me know. Because that's what I'm hearing and that's what's scaring me. But if you're in the KW area and you know a good microblader or whatever you want to call it, eyebrow enthusiast, let me know. How do you guys feel about that? Should we go a little bit darker? Give this video a thumbs up right now if you want to see this look go a little bit darker. Okay, you know what? It's actually going to go a little bit darker because this still looks like daytime wear. So let's pick up Multitasker right here and let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay, all right. You guys even see what the hell that looks like? My boyfriend's probably gonna be pissed that dinner's not ready. You know what? This is more important, okay? And if you're watching this, yeah, that's how I feel about that. You can make your own damn tacos. I'm joking. Woo! Okay, I'm liking this so far. Okay, let's try the other side. I love how it can always get one side really good, but then the other side fails. Let's see. And it's always tough to put eyeshadow on when you have mascara on, because you're kind of like brushing your eyelashes as you're like trying to brush on the color eyeshadow. And then just bring that color just on your lower lash line as well, just so it kind of looks like a little bit of a smoky effect. Okay, cool, done. How do you guys like that? So now what I'm gonna do, because I really like that ombre kind of effect where it goes from lighter off to dark without any glitter, just completely matte. So I kind of like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab Free Spirit again, and I'm just gonna plop this right in the center, from the inner corner to the center of my eye, all across the eyelid. Do you guys have any summer plans? Anything fun? I'd love to get some ideas as to what to do. So if you guys have any ideas as to what to, I guess if you want to share with me what you're doing this summer, I think that'd be quite cool. And then that might give me some inspiration to do something fun too. All right, how do you like me now? Hey, okay, all right. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm going to go back in with that other brush and kind of blend it out. What kind of accent was that, Lauren? Alright, good enough, right? My eyes are still watering from the onions. So, what I'm going to go in with now, no idea what kind of accent that was either, but I'm going to go in now with Naked Urban Decay Basics palette. And I'm going to get the black color called Crave. You can tell I use this one quite a bit. And then go right on the lower lash and kind of smoke that out a little bit more. Okay. And then I'm going to pick up a structured brush here and pick up Venus and put that right on the inner corner. Damn, you see how that pops? And a little bit on the brow underneath there. Give that some love. Now, the next thing I need to give love to is my brows. Okay, let's see what we can do with these bad boys. So I'm going to use the Anastasia, no, it's actually the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the little spoolie on this end, and I'm going to just brush up my brows. I had already filled them in a little bit this morning, so let's see what I can fix and touch up on here. There we go. And just kind of feather it up a bit. And then I'm just going to go in with my lash curler and just curl my lashes. Helped? That helped a little bit. Okay, now let's get to the face, the best part. Okay, now what I'm going to use is Lancome Skin Feels Good Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow Foundation. Let's try this. Let's see what we can do here with this. So I'm just going to apply that on my finger. Make sure your fingers are washed, everyone. Now what I like to do to blend this out is use the Tarte Bamboo Airbrush Finish Foundation Brush and just blend it out. Looks like this color is a little bit too light for me now that I've been catching a tan. But it's a skin tint, so it's supposed to kind of blend in with your skin. But yeah, what a difference though from having no foundation to foundation. It just makes your complexion look so clear. Makes your eyes stand out a little bit more. And then I'm just going to use Tarte Shape Tape just on to conceal a couple spots here. This is going to be super light for me. Now I'm just going to use my Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray to spray my dirty beauty blender with. Now I'm just going to kind of let that dry and then blend it out. So it looks like my camera is about to die, so if it does, at this next point everything will be blended out and my battery will be charged and we'll go again. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face so that way I don't look so pale and that I do have some color to my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer, and then I'm going to also use the Sephora Pro Precision Powder in number 59. Also important to get your double chin. Let's go ahead and apply the Nars Orgasm blush. I've got to add some blush on these cheeks. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for bronzing. And what I like to do is I like to smile, put it on the apples of your cheeks, and then brush it up to where you applied the bronzer. So it all looks seamless. And not just bam, a pop of color right there out of nowhere. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is add some highlight. So Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Amrezy. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Make sure you do a little bit of a C shape. I like to do up here, wherever you may see the light may hit you. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some color to my lips. So I'm going to go in with the MAC Soar Lipliner. Just outline my lips a little bit. You know what? I'm just going to do the whole thing in this color. Okay, so what I'm going to add is just a couple other lip products just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. I don't want it to be too dark. So YSL Rouge pour Couture in number 10. That sounds right. So I just added the lipstick. My camera died again because I didn't charge it long enough. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of Buxom lip gloss in color White Russian. Just to add a little bit of something. Alright, and then to complete this look, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Cover FX again and set. So it will last all night. And then this is my natural hair, so I'm just going to use this and then I'll probably change as well. So thank you so much everyone for watching. This is the final look. This is typically what I would do on a little bit of a lower scale and not so much foundation and whatnot, but For the video, I thought this would be useful and helpful to show you guys as to what I would do if I wanted to go to that extra step. I don't typically wear a lot of makeup, so when I do, this is kind of what I would do. So that completes this tutorial or this look. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you guys want to stay tuned for more videos, I promise you I will have more videos coming up for you guys. I do have something that's actually very exciting that will be coming up on my channel soon, so stay tuned for that. Needless to say, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then also subscribe, and then stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much for watching.